Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, today we are talking all things potatoes. For those of you who do not know, I am Kimmi. I'm on a healthy lifestyle journey, healthy lifestyle change, and you're going on my journey with me. Please click subscribe and like and all that good stuff. I got to get that out the way. But today we're talking about the mashed cauliflower versus having a regular potato, okay? So I tried these. This is the Green Giant brand. And for me, it's supposed to replace a potato. It was a little watery. I didn't like the consistency of it. I just did not. I tried the Bird's Eye, and that was a little thicker actually. So between these two, I prefer the Bird's Eye. Now, the Bird's Eye was a little bit cheaper. That was like $3 and something, and this is like $4 and something. Almost $5 for the Green Giant brand. And for this little box, it was a little tray. I should have kept that. But it was a little tray for $5 for fake mashed potatoes. And when I could have a couple of these, make real potatoes out of it. Or, you know, use baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, oven roasted. You can do a lot of things with the potato. But let's talk about really quick the benefits of each. And then I'm going to tell you why you may want to swap this one for this one and vice versa, okay? So the health benefits of having cauliflower is it's anti-inflammatory, fight heart disease, cancer, anti-aging, also detox booster, rich in fiber, okay? And it can help with healthy weight loss because you have less carbs, okay? Now, the benefits of having a potato are kind of similar, actually. Surprising or not, it's rich in carbohydrates, fibers, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, helps boost immunity, controls your blood sugar, and just overall it's good. Anti-inflammatory. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it's good for a lot of things. Good for brain function because you do need some carbs. A lot of times we do no carb diets, and I'm actually doing Weight Watchers, so whatever you're doing, this video is still for you. But I tried this as an alternative to this. So I'm not diabetic, but I do know less carbs is not bad for you. And sometimes when I eat potatoes, not to be all gross, but I get a little gassy. And the older you get, the gas gets worse. It gets worse. So not only do you hurt, but the smell, let's not even go there, okay? That's enough. That's TMI already. So anyway, but too much potatoes, if you're diabetic, can be bad for you, right? We know that. The whites, they say stay away from the white stuff. White potatoes, white rice, etc. But this is a nice substitute. So for me, if I were going to do the cauliflower potatoes again, I would definitely do the Bird's Eye brand. Now, one other thing I did, this was another little thing I did. I actually took some real potato that I had the next day because this left me wanting potatoes. The mashed cauliflower left me wanting the taste of potato. So I didn't get it the first day. I had it the second day. So sometimes you think, okay, well, I'm going to make a better choice. And you're not satisfied. And then you go and get it the next day. Even if it was something sweet, you might say, okay, I'll just have me a popsicle when I really want a chocolate cake. Well, the next day when you get that chocolate cake, you're going to eat the whole cake. Maybe not just a piece, right? So sometimes it just comes down to what's preference. Some people may like the taste and texture of this. If you really want a potato, I would say go ahead and have you a potato. So what makes the potato bad for us or not a healthy choice is all the butter and sour cream. So what I've learned to do is I don't mind having just chives and salt and just a little bit of butter on my potato versus loaded down with sour cream, bacon, and cheese and all that extra good stuff, right? Now, if you're going to have all that extra good stuff, you just want to make sure you put it in your, account for it in your diet, your caloric intake, whatever you're doing for the day. So again, I got the mashed cauliflower and the potato. In my case, I'd rather have the potato. Have you tried cauliflower potatoes? If so, what's your thoughts on it? Do you like it? You know, again, I tried thickening it. Didn't work. So, I don't know. So, in my case, I'm going with potatoes. Love me some chives and keep it moving. So, today, that's what we talked about was the difference between the two. I hope you're doing well in your healthy journey. If you have any swap or tips, swap. Let me know and drop it in the comments, okay? Well, until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.